Yeah.
Come back.
The name is Devon Motor now.
You know, touching by the dyno there. Some cars. Yeah. So the goal is today to dial up Devon car. See how much you're doing. I know he did some valve spring work, so you're just checking to see if all the power. Just making sure the power band good. Hopefully he get 2 extra horsepower, because right now he's running on 200 horsepower. Yeah. So I think the tuner coming just now too, so checking to see what's going on with the car. No man! You get nervous up?
I'm tired!
The man is Devon now trying to get on the dyno. He don't have special wheel on the dyno that is calculating the speed and the torque and stuff for the machine and things. So he's just trying to get on that wheel. But tires slippery, so he just missing the mark.
Hopefully it won't take too long. Looking to raise the rev limit and see how the car reacts. We already feeling gains, but maybe it's because I haven't driven the car in so long that they're actually scary to drive. But otherwise, so far it's looking very promising. The last time I was here, Jay did not make it home on his own power, so I am very worried. I didn't touch it, so big up Swift. Yeah, so so hopefully we make it off the dyno with how much I estimate. I'm hoping for, last time I made 453. Pushing it, I would like to see this. What's going on with he boy? Anyway, yeah, I would like to see 470 something, but ideally, but if you make back the same 450 something, I'd be happy with that. So good to go there.
Man car inspected, and it have AC in it.
And yes, I'm very happy. And it's insurance. Don't forget that.
Progress?
We are about the same place that we were before, around the 450 range, 450, 460 range, which isn't bad. The car literally it's sounding harder. Like it's in your ramp up and it's something different. So I'm happy with what I'm getting so far. And just tuning out so many kicks.
Devon now brush his strap and he don't seem to be bothered. The strap ripped clean.
Hi, good night. For all those who don't know me, my name is Kerry-Drift, owner of Fine Tune Performance Dyno. We're located in Omar Industrial in Arima, and you can get me at contact information. You can reach me at 492-5600 or 681-9800, 9200, sorry.
Yeah, you have an average price?
For two-wheel drive, we have it at, that's front wheel, rear wheel, 400 per hour. If you want to do baseline pulls, we offer it at 150. They get 3 to 5 pulls for your baselines, right? And for all-wheel drives, which are the Evo, Skylines, whatnot, the hourly rates are 600 for the hour. And 200 if you want to do the baseline pulls, same 3 to 5 pulls.
Yeah.
I also offer, if you don't have a wideband in your vehicle, we have the facility of a wideband being rented, and that will just be an additional 100 to the cost of the tuning time. Alright?
Question, I see Jai there. You have an in-house tuner? If a man come and he handle tuner?
Well, that's, yeah. If you don't have a tuner, yes, I wouldn't say an in-house tuner, but the tuners that frequent the facility would be, yes, one Dry, two Kester, who is doing Devon's car tonight. I have Fats, well, everybody know him as Fats Tune, Kevon.
Yeah.
Right, and for the Euro guys, we have, if you're pan across here, I have Shift Performance. Yeah. For all the Euro guys, right? So yes, I have. If you don't have a tuner, yes, I can facilitate that as well.
Right, man. I'll bring in the BM to get a dial.
No problem, brother. Anytime. All right.
Hey, man, for the tuner glasses.
Yeah, good. Very well, great. Alright, so my name is Kester Johnson from Ultimate Sport Tuning, representing MaxECU today. Tuning Devon's Supra with a 2J. In short, if you want the most amount of power, buy MaxECU. Keep it safe, keep it clean.
Right, so it takes them a little while to be able to dial in everything. Anti-lag, they increase the RPM. I know they're saying they're doing high 400s. So high 400, right?
No, like, medium.
It's a high 400. He just playing thing. Can you know them men gonna see the video and then they're gonna come on the track and
No. Car set up good. You can turn on your power. How you want. All about dependability, durability. Kester knows what he's doing. We have Dylan double checking everything. We have Casey taking photos. We have CJ doing videography. We have
China kind of thing.
Space side here. And everybody else is coming there to support. And so far it's really good vibes. And that's all we do.
yeah, man. So we keeping the vibes going. Hopefully the next time when they see this car, it'll be on the track. I can't tell you when is the private session, but
and liquid molly. The fluid's running good. Temperature's still real good. You have a racetrack, supply tires.
can't forget what racetrack.
Fresh. the turbo and some of the supplies on the parts.
Garage fest.
And that he ain't built it for yet because he ain't know yet. And
This is the part of the video.
and Kester.
And Kester. This is the part of the video where they start to run the whole list of all your sponsors. But car something nice. We got little flames. So on the next one, when we have Casey taking pretty element in my hamburger there.
Hey guys.
Keeping it cool, everybody here being safe. Devon car is our app, and that is it. Time to go home and drink some club soda.